Hi, this is Kate from Presley, your friendly neighborhood PR CRM. I'm just going to very quickly take you through how to format quotes in your press release. So if you look here, there's basically two key ways that you can do this. One is to just drop the quote in as part of the body text of your press release. There's nothing really wrong with this. The only downside is that it makes the press release a little bit harder to scan for if a journalist is looking for a story that has quote support, it'll be harder for them to spot it. A simple way you can make it easier for journalists to spot is just to format it a little bit differently. So here I'm using the Presley editor, but you can do the same thing in a lot of different editors as well. Here we've got a preset quote format where if you select it, you can immediately see that it's a lot easier to see. Um, One thing I will say is um, don't format your quote as an image. We've seen this start to happen quite a lot with press releases that are more angled towards social media. So that the idea, I guess, is that if a blogger or an influencer covers your story, they can share your quote to social media just by downloading the image and using it. If you're going to do this, please also include the text of the quote within your actual press release um, as well as in the image. So this is good for a few reasons. One, it will make life a lot easier for anyone who just wants to use the quote and not the image because they would have to type it out themselves. It also is good for SEO if you're going to publish your press release within your newsroom. And also it's good for accessibility because screen readers will be able to see that text not in the same way they cannot see text within an image at the moment. Maybe AI is going to change all that. So that's all for formatting press release quotes, fairly straightforward. If you want any more advice on formatting a press release or using different tools to do that, head over to our academy. We've got lots of different guides and templates you can use for free. So that's all. Until next time. Bye.